What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and once again, man, welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well. Now, getting right to the shoe, man. Today I got something that you don't really see on my channel a lot, but it's a really solid shoe, man. I just thought I'd pick these up and give you guys a review on them, man. Here we have the Adidas Forum Low by Bad Bunny, man. Super dope packaging, man. I've had a couple of pair of these joints. Had the black ones, the blue ones, and maybe the pink ones as well. But super dope packaging, man. He always does really well with the details, man. Bad Bunny on the side of the box. Has his logo on the top along with the 3 stripes. Also has his logo in Adidas right here. Tag reads Bad Bunny Forum, man. Cloud white all the way across the board. This is a size 9, man. Super dope packaging, man. As always, man. If you have any of the other Bad Bunnies, you already know he comes with a lot of packaging, a lot of details. Most of the time, extra laces, extra tongues, and things like that. But let's get into the shoe, man. Taking off the sleeve. When you open it, man, this is what you see. It does have a dust bag with the shoes inside of them. As you can see right here, those extra tongues that it come with, and the extra laces at the bottom as well, man. Here are those extra tongues that I spoke about just a minute ago, man. Has buttons on the back so you can attach it on. I'll show you the part of the shoe where you add it. Comes with 2 tongues, man. And it come with 2 extra laces, man. This one is a neon color. If you can see right here on the end of the lace tips, man, they do have Bad Bunny on the lace tips, man. So some nice details on there. This is a neon, like yellow, neon, greenish pair. And it also comes with an extra set of like gray laces, Adidas on the wrap, and they also have Bad Bunny on the lace tip as well, man. Now getting into the shoe, as I mentioned earlier, they do come in this dust bag, tied up and everything. And when you open the shoe is wrapped in this Adidas paper as if it would if it was in a regular box, of course. Let's get both shoes out, man. Let's look at these joints. Let's talk about it, man. All right, man. Now here we have the Bad Bunny Forum Low in the cloud white colorway. Super nice shoe, man. He always does really well with the details. The Forum has been a really top-selling shoe for Adidas lately, man. And they've been doing like a couple of different collabs and like just different special editions. One of my favorites being, of course, a couple of the Bad Bunny colorways, but most recently that Grinch pair, man, was super clean. Adidas did that thing on their Christmas release this year with the Grinch colorway on the Bad Bunnies. But now getting into these, man, it's cloud white mainly all the way around. It has the gray 3 stripes on the side, just different materials. Nice suede on the toe cap with a really soft leather right here on the top of the toe. Has that strap on there. You can tighten this up so it won't look like this when you wear them if you actually do tighten it up. And you can also remove the strap as well, man. It's Velcro, so you definitely can remove the strap on both sides, man. It has a metal buckle right here on this side. You squeeze here and you pull the bottom and the buckle comes out, man. Always nice details, man. Really nice quality on this joint. They always do a good job with the Bad Bunny collabs, man. He's probably their best seller outside of Yeezy, even though Kanye's not with them no more. But outside of Yeezy, he's probably was the best selling like collab shoe that Adidas came with. They're definitely selling more than like all of the Hardens and the Litters and things like that. But these are really good, man. These are really good. And with Bad Bunny being such a big international star, man, these shoes sell out worldwide within seconds every time. I've never seen a pair of these joints sit, and they always look good. They always look good. I'm not really a big Adidas guy. This really looks like one of those like old school like DC skateboard shoes type of swag, man. It's like a really fat shoe, but they are clean detail wise, and they're always nice quality. On the back, it does have like a lace lock pull tab where you can tighten the shoe as well. Like I said, like I did mention, they do have that strap on there. So if you see here, man, it does have 2 tongues. You can take off this top one with the buttons, man, unbutton it, and then you can add this tongue on here with the lace holes on the actual tongue. If you look at this tongue that's on the top of here, it doesn't have the lace holes. So you only be using the laces if you use the tongue that's already installed on the shoe, or you can swap it out for this one if you want to lace it up through the actual tongue, man. So nice details, man. Has his logo on the top of this tongue. Has his logo on the top of this one as well, man. So it's definitely a solid shoe, man. Getting to that midsole, it's that same cloud white, man. It has like a slight yellowing to it. On the bottom, it has a gray outsole with the Adidas logos embossed everywhere. And it has this Bad Bunny logo right there inside the circle, man. Really nice, bro. I can't really lie to you, bro. These are nice, man. Really nice pattern. I'm not sure if the form is officially a skateboard shoe or a basketball shoe from Adidas, but this one is clean, man. It has a really soft mid part of this midsole, bro. So it does have cushioning in there. It does have a little give to it, man. So really nice suede and really nice leather on the shoe as well, man. Like I said, man, it does have that tumbled-ish leather on the toe box. Some nice suede on the toe cap. Nice suede on those gray stripes on the side, man. This buckle is metal as well, man. So everything is nice quality and well put together. Now on the left shoe, it does have like the Adidas tags that you usually see like on Yeezys and things like that. One tag, and it has the Adidas Bad Bunny tag. This one actually flips open. It doesn't say anything on the inside, but just the tags, man. Adidas Bad Bunny size 9. Like I said, this is a size 9, so it's not a personal pair, man. This is not really my style, but the Bad Bunnies have been selling out, man. Really nice shoe, and I like them, but it's just not my style, man. I just can't see myself pulling these joints off, bro. It doesn't really give me the urge to rock these joints or to add them to the personal collection. But as always, man, nice materials, man, nice quality, and incredible details, man, incredible details. Now this shoe did retail for 160 bucks. As far as aftermarket pricing, man, some of the smaller sizes are around 250, the bigger sizes are around 200 to 220. So nothing too crazy, man. So if you're a Bad Bunny fan, Adidas fan, or you like the forum model, definitely reasonably priced as far as resale in the aftermarket. So definitely can grab these if you're, like I said, a big Bad Bunny fan or just a fan of the forum as a whole, man. So like I was saying, man, nothing too crazy on the pricing, man. Crazy details, really nice quality on the shoe, bro. So if you like this shoe, bro, it's a no-brainer to go ahead and grab these joints. But y'all do me a favor, man. Leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know your honest thoughts on the Bad Bunny forum as a model. Let me know which one is your favorite colorway, and let me know how you feel about the Cloud White colorway in particular, man. Do you have any in the collection? Is the forum just not your style, man? Just let me know how you guys are feeling, man. It's not really my style, but it is a nice shoe, bro. And I've seen a lot of people kill a lot of fits at different like sneaker shows and things like that, bro. So it's definitely a fire shoe, bro. It's just not my cup of tea. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for the video, man. You seen the Bad Bunny, you seen the Cloud White pair, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling down below, man. Give me an honest opinion, man. But like I said, man, just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Bad Bunny Adidas Forum Low and the Cloud White colorway. Until next time on the next video, man. Peace.